Abuja anti-problem day, and you better call Jesus. Abu Trica has been discharged and re-arrested. Is that what really happened at our court? And who arrested Abu Trica? And why is Abu Trica being arrested? For what? Abuja may no more to call Ewa Hasi, authentic Christ studios. Make sure. So I like you best subscribe. You are share. I'm a phone so any be. Anti Abu Trica sense FBI through Eye Iyoko and Afensu special prosecutor Ekoche Abu Trica for taking part in Eye fraud activities. Be say Eye romance scam. I say what scamming abroad for Nigeria muska $8 million. Now, Busia mind you say FBI for targets ne Abu Trica, but then omuko Abu Trica fi no omu pia bonte na chese nipa miensa nipa mienu a chese omuka Abu Trica ho maye 2 na chese omoko che omo. Emma say after say court proceedings ekoso no kwampo no prosecutor eba bonten ebe ka say omo person omo withdraw all the charges from the 2 people na omo ka Abu Trica ho. Emma Abu Trica lawyer eba bonten be ka say onti ase ni ntia court take that decision because enipa miensa na omoko che ye ewo fie enye mienu Abu Trica na afensu ni nafofo mienu enti ade nti omo person omo withdraw charges a ni nafofo mienu no pe na chese omo person omo save omo afri asem nti ono de or the assembly, Ebeko Court, Ebeko High Court.
Today, Ghana's legal system has been taking back 2,000 years. We have come to meet Pontius Pilate in court. The state, for its own reason and evolution, says that A2 and A3, they do not desire to continue with them, and therefore they should be discharged. That is what the state is saying. However, the judge who was assigned to sit on the matter today says that no, she's not going to discharge them, but defer that to the substantive judge. This is most unfortunate. At the last agenda, the court ordered that the state should have 5 weeks. If they have any information or any evidence, they should bring it before the court to justify why it will be, the court will proceed against A2 and A3. The states, in 3 weeks, have realized that they can't find anything against them. So why should their liberty be curtailed? This should not happen to anybody. Even when the person clearly is seen committing a crime, it shouldn't happen to the person. Let alone a person that there's no warrant, there's no order, there's no evidence against to be held in custody. This is a travesty of justice.
Enti apodi ko High Court ema chese omuko gina sem no. Enti ende omuko kwasem ba na chese Abu Trica ne namfofo ne back court no High Court no. Na chese Abu Trica pe na chese handcuff edanesa na chese ne 2 enamfofo ne de handcuff endo munsa enti handcuff na chese Abu Trica ne namfofo no ya discharge omo. Na emra omo court na omo ban before na chese ombe pie kwampo na chese Oliver Beckham vomowo eba bonte beka say Abu Trica has been re-arrested by Narcotics Control Commission. Ema no na lawyer ni pie ba bonte ebisa no ema no chemu eka say yes, Abu Trica has been discharged, but Narcotics Control for asache no believe he said this time around no, it will be fair and they'll make sure say BPR everything.
They have been discharged by the court after the state or the Attorney General withdrew the charges against them. What are your comments?
Well, that's what we've been seeing from day one. The state had nothing against the 2 others. So that's what we prayed for from day one. And if the Attorney General has seen light in that and done the needful, we welcome the decision of the court.
So I'm just waiting for them to actually be discharged because we realize that they're not
taken back to the narcotics headquarters. I'm yet to know why they are there, but I believe it's for administrative purposes. So whatever transpires there, I'll let you know.
Okay, all right, thank you so much.
But then, according to another source, according to Gossip GH, this is what really happened.
Now for be ampa charge sheet you know extra say prosecution no I withdraw charges against Abu Trica and now for be no. Etienne almost also the omo Gbese magistrate court. Are you following? Omo the omo Gbese magistrate court no. And omo ka say e na no mo charge Abu Trica and then now for me ensa no. Omo the conspiracy e ka ho aside the other charges. Eti my lady NKB Efa Momo and NDA. Judge no eka say okay, sasa na tell on the conspiracy charge no or discharge omo tie. First of all, prosecution now withdraw charges against Abu Trica now for being, which in this case Lord Shen and Bernard Edu. Almost say notice of withdrawal from prosecution. Take notice that the Honorable Attorney General has, pursuant to Section 59 of the Criminal and Other Offences Act, withdrawn Lord Eshen and Bernard Edu hearing from prosecution in an aspect of all the charges brought against them in this case. It's Lord Eshen and Bernard Edu no way you refiasem. And now, conspiracy to commit whatever crime or more can, right? Abu Trica, Lord Eshen and Bernard Edu no more charge your money. It's my lady is okay on the conspiracy charge no or discharge or mummy and son in na. Ain't you know so discharge or more a formality. And Oliver Wamawo Becca and the two social media also say just finished at the Gbese district court. Abu Trica and two others have been discharged. Discharge does not mean say you release it or more. NACOC just tried to rearrest them inside the courtroom. Judge offended and indeed rearresting in the courtroom no any idea pleasant, right? And Oma no more court honomu in idea dance say Oliver Omawokra any security agencies no enkofo ni bi kasa so mo ma boy say nanti free mbra na ndie de opese mo ye wa bonti bia na maye nti abonten ho no and omosa so rearrest yobo so they have not been released. Now Oliver is a lawyer, into you see technical terms so has say being discharged does not mean you have been acquitted. So you can say acquitted and discharged. And I hear Jai ni the crap. Already no for Lord Eshani Bernard Edu no prosecution now withdraw charges no. Right? And on the conspiracy no and a judge no and I say magistrate judge no I can say what discharge of me and Sanina. It is a what discharge of me and Sanina. It doesn't mean say we release Abu Trica. Abu Trica you release no. And as a matter of fact, Abu Trica Emra no back court demo, and Emra na OPF court demo. Now no the handcuffs that's why egunisa. So the rearrest happened outside the court. It's Abu Trica has not been released. And yes, we will be anybody say Abu Trica has been. Yeah, what do we stand to benefit if Abu Trica has been arrested, if he has been released, if he has not been released? What do we stand to benefit? But the truth is one: Abu Trica has not been released. What is it? Abu Trica has not been released. Neither has he been granted bail because your friend is saying extradition cases mono. A manager say you don't put an oral bail application before the court. You have to put it in writing. And before the Gbese Magistrate Court, there is no application for bail or Gbese Magistrate Court. The good thing that happened to Lord Shen and Bernard Edu, and he said prosecution will withdraw the charges against them. And a conspiracy charge, Abu Trica, and the lawyers pray say, mo charge nipa miensa we nyina abo mu say conspiracy to the end na mo discharge mo withdraw charges all charges against nipa mienu we enti mo withdraw against Abu Trica so hoping say Abu Trica say you discharge on bema ne kwan manako and a rearrest happen.
Yes, so Abu Trica, send a man for say he was discharged and other stuff, and Abu Trica was never discharged. Abu Trica was arrested before coming to court by Narcotics Control Commission for. Abu say you go so at say do mo so konintia o mo sakwache no enche bia de bebrem e authentic plus studios making sure so be like you subscribe and share am afofo so nya bi ahwe.